1995 Trek multitrack 730 and a 1996 Mongoose Iboc. So my bike is right here, the Trek. It's got a 1-inch threaded headset and 3x7 Shimano Alivo grip set. Grip shift, obviously. It has system stem, system bars, system seat post. Don't know what kind of seat post clamp. Alivo cranks, generic plastic pedals, chromoly fork, aluminum frame, Alivo hubs, Kenda tires in the reflective color, Planet Bike fenders, Topeak bag, REI panniers, and just some random kickstand, Cloud9 seat, and show you this Alivo derailleur in the front and in the back. Says it right there. Need to clean it again. And then for the Mongoose, REI bags, bike light, these bar ends, grip shift 2 3x8, Sugino cranks, and Shimano XT rear derailleur. I have one of those. And then, yeah, give you a quick overview. Shimano hubs, I think, on this. I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, tell me what you think. Thanks for watching.